Find or read reviews that people are talking about Tyranitar Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Dual rotating brushes. The robotic floor cleaner has two auto side sweeper brushes that extend the area of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Long battery life. This automatic vacuum cleaner robot has a high-capacity battery of 2000 mAh and a charging base. It could continuously work for 80 minutes to meet the cleaning needs from the living room to the bedroom. 2.4-inch ultra-low. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2.4-inch thin low that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. Dual rotating brushes. The robotic floor cleaner has two auto side sweeper brushes that extend the area of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Vacuuming sweeping damp. Maintain gleaming hard floors. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.